Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Baking Budgets. I am a 22-year-old cash stuffer here in Washington State. I am married and I have an awesome little baby girl, and I also have a teacup Pomeranian. And we're just over here trying to find a way to find a balance between not holding back from the things that make us happy and also trying to be on a budget. So trying to find a balance between those two things. So if that's something that interests you, please like this video, subscribe, and join this awesome budgeting community. So today we are not doing a cash stuffing video, but we are going to be doing a Happy Mail unboxing. I am super excited to unbox, well, not unbox this, but to open it. It is from Modern Twines, and I love everything on her shop. Everything is super cute, and even the packaging on here, it's so cute. It says mahalo for supporting my small business. How sweet is that? So let's get started. So what do you guys think I got? I'm so excited to open this. Oh my gosh, that's on pretty tight. I got myself something that I've been wanting to try out for a while, and when I saw it on her shop, I was like, oh yeah, I definitely should just do it, buy it for myself, because it's something that'll make me happy, something that I'm super excited about. So okay, let's see. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, look at how cute this is. It says, mahalo, your order made my day. Mahalo for supporting my small business. Use this code on your next order. Modern 15. How sweet is that? This is so sweet. She gave me this for free. I didn't even order this. Okay, this is so sweet, guys. She wrote this little note here. She said, thank you. I appreciate your continued support. Heart, Brie. How sweet is that? And so this is what I got. Okay, I'll just set this aside. I'll just leave this right here. That's so sweet. So, oh my goodness, look at this, guys. She gave me this for free. It's a cash breakdown, which I've been needing because every time I go to the bank, I literally use a sticky note, and I swear, oh my God, sometimes they don't understand what I'm asking for. And it's so embarrassing because my husband, he'll sit up front and I'll tell him like, tell them it's like this and like this, and it's just like, it's such a mess sometimes. But this is so sweet that she gave me this little cash breakdown, so I will absolutely be using this for sure weekly. And then I got this $1,000 placeholder. So anytime I reach like $1,000 on one of my cash envelopes, my plan is to bring it to the bank, so that way I don't carry too much cash at home, and I'll be able to put this in there, so whenever I am counting up my money, I'll be able to see this and know mentally that I have $1,000 in the bank, and that way I don't have to keep it at home. So look at that, and it's like all sparkly. How cute is that? Okay, so I will keep that right there. And then look at what I got, guys. Look at these. How sweet. Okay, so I got these $1,000 savings challenges, and I got 3 of them. And look on the back, they have a 1,000 on them. How freaking cute is that? And I can put, and I can put these right into my binders just like that, and I'll be able to see it. It's a 1,000, and look, it is also an envelope. Are you kidding me? This is so freaking cute. So it says save bi-weekly or twice a month for 1 year. So my plan is I got 3 of them, and I'm gonna do one will be for my emergency savings, and then one of them will be for, I'm thinking, car savings, and then the last one will be for my baby girl, because those 3 are like the main things that I really want to reach $1,000. And it's so sweet because each little piggy has its own different amount. And then as well as that, I can color on it with a Sharpie. And then once I reach the 1,000, I put it in the bag. I put a 1K slip in there. I can erase it off, wipe it off very easily with like rubbing alcohol. It'll just come right off and I can restart it again. How awesome is that? So yeah, this is everything that I got, and I'm so thankful. Everything here is so cute. So next I'm going to show you guys how I am going to be reorganizing my binders. So let's get into that. Okay, so I have everything set up here that I'm going to be working with to reorganize my binders. So I'm first going to be starting with my yellow binder. So pretty much what I want to do in here is take this guy out. This is my emergency savings, and this is going to replace it. Take all the money out, and I'm going to just set it here for right now. And then the second thing that I wanted to do was I was thinking of this, guys. So I am really trying to do everything intentionally and with a purpose. So I'm thinking that right now I'm going to take a pause on my 1 month ahead and focus that energy into my emergency savings. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to just keep this here just so that I remember that I have 500 in the bank. So 1 month ahead, she is also coming out. All right. And I'm going to take the money out of here and put that here as well. And that is going to be going towards emergency savings. Okay. Actually, I figured it would be better if I just left it out and then I fill it in first. Okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and count up this money first that we're working with. So in emergency savings right now, we have 500, 550, 600, 620, 640. Okay. So to make note of that, I'm going to color in this little piggy. Perfect. So I got this guy ready to go, and I'm gonna put it into my binder. How cute. And then I'll be putting all of this in here. So we have 500, 550, 600, 620, 640. And for now, I'm just gonna keep my little 500 placeholder in here, just because that already is in the bank. How cute. Okay, awesome. So we got that one. And now the next thing that I wanted to do is this. So just like I said with this one, is that I want to focus all our energy into completing one thing at a time before moving on to the next thing. So for right now, I am going to be taking out our Hawaii 2023 one envelope, and I will be taking the money out of here and putting it into Great Wolf Lodge. And once Great Wolf Lodge is fully funded, we will then start doing our Hawaii 2023 again. Okay, so this has 20, 25, 30 going into Great Wolf Lodge. Because Great Wolf Lodge is coming up in a few months, and it is coming up sooner than Hawaii is, so that's why I just feel like instead of doing two things at once, I can just knock out one first, and then once we got this guy done, head on over to start doing Hawaii 2023 again. So Great Wolf Lodge now has 50, 70, 90, 95, 100, and 105. We only need $195 more, and we're done with Great Wolf Lodge. And then after that, we can start focusing on Hawaii. All right, so let's see. The next thing that I want to do is the same thing. I would like to do the 1K challenge for my baby girl. So let's take this one out. So she is also going to be getting the 1K savings challenge. So I'll just take the money out here for her. So I'll grab one of these for her, and let's count up how much money she has. So she has 100, 150, 170, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, $177. I'm going to put that right back, and we are working with 177. So let's see what we can do here. Let's start here. All right, so we brought this guy back here, and we're going to put him back in right here. You guys should definitely check her out. Her stuff is just to die for. It's so cute. So going into baby girl is 100, 150, 170, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77. $177. And you know, this is the first time that I have envelopes that are like see-through like this, and they are very much giving. Look at that. Oh my gosh, are you joking? Look at how pretty that is compared to this. Oh, you're joking. This is so much more prettier. All right, so we got that. And then the next thing that I wanted to do is I want to turn this one right here into a tech envelope, because like I said in my other video, my husband, he needs a new phone. So I want to turn this one into tech instead of savings. Because as you know, I took out savings right now while we're focusing on our emergency $1,000 savings. So we're going to do tech. Okay. And I think we'll put this cute little sticker on it with the little camera. And we'll just stick that right there. Bring this guy down and we will put this in here. Perfect. And then we will put the money in here from the other one. Go here to the back. And I think so 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is my husband's. That was his spending money, so we'll leave that in there. The extra money that's in here will be going into tech. So we have $20, $40, $60, $81. And we will put that in here. Perfect. Great. So that's what we got going for this one, my yellow binder. The last thing that I wanted to do is switch over my husband's and I are spending, and I want to put that into our black binder because recently that has become a weekly spending for us. So that's what we're doing. So I'm going to just go ahead and put them into here. I'll just slip them in right here. So spending for me, spending for my husband, they will be going into our weekly black binder. Perfect. And now, okay, I'm actually trying to think of right now what other thing could I turn for my 1,000 savings challenge. And you know what? Now that I'm thinking of it, guys, I think what I'll do for the other 1K savings challenge, that will be our new Hawaii envelope. So you will see that one in action once we are able to start saving for Hawaii. So for now, I'm going to just put it back here. And my last 1K savings, that'll be for Hawaii, definitely, because I'm foreseeing that we're going to need to save at least $2,000 to $3,000 to go to Hawaii for how long we're planning to go. So I'm going to leave her in there. And for now, I'm going to take my beautiful 1K slip and I'm going to just put it in here for now because I don't want to put it back here and it to get something happen to it. So I'll put it in here safely. Oh my, look at how beautiful, you guys. I can't. She's so pretty. I love it. So that is it for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in and kind of just hearing me like ramble about whatever my brain process and stuff. Thank you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I surely did. And I really hope to continue to make more videos like this in the future and to continue to support other small businesses. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. All right, I'll see you guys in my weekly videos. Bye.